Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the color option in Adobe Lightroom and how you can color grade your image in Adobe Lightroom. It's very easy to understand. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Lightroom app. So we have to click on this. So as you can see, the Adobe Lightroom is open. Now what we have to do, we have to choose the image, that which image we want to use. For example, I'm going to use this image. So I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, the image is open. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the edit section, and after going to the edit section, as you can see, as the color option, so we have to click on the color option. The first option is for the temperature. If you want to increase the temperature or decrease it, you can also do that. And the second is the tint option. If you want to use the tint, you can also do that. As you can see, the vibrance is also provided here, and the saturation option is also provided here. You can use these all options, and the BNW is here. If you want a black and white, you can also do that. And as you can see, the grading option is also provided here. If you click on this, you can also use this and you can colorize your image. Different type of images are provided here. Color mode, all the color modes are here. You can use them. So in this way, after doing these all settings, you have to hit the done. And after that, in the mix section, you can also mix the coloring as well using these in the random way. And after that, you have to hit the done and the image will be edited. So in this way, you can use the color option in Adobe Lightroom. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.